Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Brandalyn Reddick. She's the Warren County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. I'm glad you're here today, Brandalyn.
I'm glad to be here.
You have another great dish for us today, and this is going to be fun.
Yes, Cowboy Skillet. I love this recipe because it's kind of like a one-pan recipe where you just kind of throw everything in and let it cook.
And when I hear cowboy, I think of hearty meal.
Yes, this has all your essential ingredients. You're getting your protein, you're getting some vegetables. I mean, it's a really good dish.
Okay, so how do we get started?
So we're going to add some oil, a tablespoon of oil.
Okay, and we already have this heated to about medium heat, right?
Yes.
All right, so we have the oil in there.
And then we're gonna add 1 package of sausage, and you can use turkey sausage, you could use some kielbasa, some pork sausage, whatever your preference is.
Okay, and this comes like in the links, right?
Yes, so we're gonna cut that up, we're gonna dice it into about 1-inch cubes.
Okay.
We're gonna add that in. And we're also gonna add in 1 small onion that is diced.
Okay.
And so we're gonna continue stirring this until the sausage is brown.
Okay.
And our
onions are softened?
Yes, and our onions are softened. So that might take, around 5 minutes.
And smoked sausage, you can usually find it on sale and get it at a relatively inexpensive price for the amount of protein.
Yes. Yeah, and this week we found this actually a 2-for-1 deal, so it was pretty good.
Yeah.
This total recipe cost was $8.53 for just this entire meal, or per serving $1.42, so it really stretches your budget.
All right, now once we have all this cooked through, what do we do next?
So we're gonna add in 2 cups of our brown rice. You're gonna wanna make sure you cook your rice ahead of time, and so you can use the quick cook rice, the minute rice, or you can use long grain rice. I recommend long grain rice because that is better for you. And brown rice is always better.
And this is going to give it a little bit more volume, the meal, right? With
yes.
some grains added.
Our grains. Like I said, this is a little bit of everything. So it's kind of one of those one-pan meals that gives us, all of our essentials.
Quick and eady, Brandalyn,
exactly.
and inexpensive.
And we've got some pepper. So this pepper is just really going to be to taste. Some people like a little more, some people like a little less. So we're just gonna kind of sprinkle in a little bit of pepper. We have corn, and you can use frozen corn, you can use fresh corn. I buy my corn frozen because, I feel like it lasts longer and I can use however much I need from the package. So this is about 1 cup of frozen corn.
All right.
So we're just gonna add that in.
It's gonna add some color too,
yes,
right?
Exactly. And then we have a bell pepper, just, 1 average size bell pepper that's also diced. A little bit more color. And more vegetables there.
Yeah, and I think peppers and corn always goes good together.
Oh, they do. And then we have black beans. Okay. This is 1 can of black beans that we have drained and rinsed.
Okay. Yep, so, our pan's getting full, Brandalyn.
It is. And so this gives us some more protein. Adds us a little more protein to our meal.
And fiber, right?
Yes, and fiber, definitely. And then another seasoning that we're adding is some garlic powder. Okay, and this is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder.
And that's really gonna punch up the flavor.
It is, definitely.
All right, now once we get this all incorporated, Brandalyn, then what do we do?
We want it to cook just a little bit more, maybe turn down the temperature, let it cook a little more. Just make sure those vegetables are cooked through. Once it's done, then we can add some toppings to serve over it.
Okay.
We can add some cheese, we can add some salsa. If you really want to, give it that Cowboy Skillet flair, you can serve some eggs over the top. So you could scramble up some eggs. For this serving size, for this meal size, you might want to scramble up 6 of it.
Absolutely. Going to increase our protein. That way, this could be breakfast, supper, whichever meal you would like.
Exactly.
Where can people find the recipe?
They can find the recipe here at the Extension office. And it's also in our recipe calendar.
We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show and hope you have a great day.